I'm Paul Lyons, Managing Director of DesignWeb. DesignWeb started in 1998. We're involved in the supply of websites and digital marketing services. Our clients primarily are based in Denbighshire and North Wales, although we do have international customers as well. We began in the days where we had to dial up to the internet using a 56k modem, and speeds were very slow, to say the least. We're now obviously through to a fibre generation where files are transmitted almost instantaneously, and businesses rely heavily on great broadband speeds. Websites again have evolved significantly. We only used to consider desktop devices and the early edition Macs whilst we were designing sites. So no responsive elements there, no thoughts about iPads, tablet devices or mobiles. Over the years, the technology that we've used as a business has evolved so much. We used to use maybe one or two applications, and it would be a case of using that piece of software or a couple of applications to develop a site for a client. Now we're obviously using multiple applications, many in the cloud. The technology has changed significantly, speeds of computers, hardware, obviously the broadband comes into it. What we've seen as a business is, as we've invested money back into the business and into hardware specifically, and software applications, it's really assisted us in developing the business, developing the communication, with a lot of the communication being online. We receive a lot of large digital files which we need to process. Having invested in better software and hardware, we're able to process these files quickly, we're able to communicate with clients efficiently and effectively, which means they get their services a lot faster, which means that obviously projects remain on budget, possibly even under budget as well. So putting the money back into the business for us not only improves staff morale so that they can work efficiently, but assist with the clients, and having a happy client is what we all want.